Ever seen this switch thing in C and wondered when to use it? In the next few minutes, we will build a tiny calculator with switch and you will never forget it. Hey everyone,
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen.
channel. Today, we will see what is switch, when to use it, and hands-on mini project, a interactive calculator. So let's get started. So switch is clear alternative to multiple if-else. So how exactly switch works? So let's see. Switch compares one expression against multiple constant cases. When a match is found, that case runs until you hit a break. Let's see the syntax of switch. So we will start by writing switch keyword and open bracket and the expression we want to compare with. After that, curly braces and a case and a value 1, and after the colon the actual code will execute if the case 1 matches. After that, a break. Let's say if expression matches with the value 1, then value 1 code will be executed. If expression matches with the value 2, the code will execute, the case 2 block will be executed. What if both cases didn't match? It will go to default, just like if else statement, and exit the switch block. So let's say a simple example. In this, I have taken SCH input from the user. User enters a character A or B. I need to check case matches with the A or B. If not, the default fallback goes to default. If the user enters A, the A case block will be executed, and if a user enters B, the B block will be B block code will be executed. If neither of them match, it will go to default. Let's get into coding. Let's create a simple calculator. So create a folder or a file wherever you want, wherever you are comfortable with, and open in VS Code or whichever your favorite code editor is. I am going to use NeoVim for editing. Let's open this file. So let's include create a main function. Let's take a input from user named operator or symbol. Let's create a variable named this is the operator, and to integer a comma b, and this will be entered by the user. We are going to ask the user for the first number and the second number. %. Yes. let's take user. Division. So now let's write the switch statement. So the expression is operator. Case. Don't use it is plus we need to add A and B. So let's see A plus B. Let's add another case for subtraction. For multiplication. Oh, we forgot to add the break. This is the main thing we need to add. After the average statement, we need to add break. Divided by B. Before let's save it and let's see if there are any errors. So there is no error. Let's run it. Enter first number 1, the second number 1, the operator is plus.